How you doing, Mr. Vertis? My name is DeAndre Williams, and I will be doing my formative speech over the rules in basketball and how you play it. There are many types of basketball leagues. You have the WNBA, you have street ball, you have college ball, and you have NBA. They are composed of two different teams that equals up to 10 players on the court at one time. Basketball was created in 1891 by a man named James Naismith. There are many rules dealing with the game. The first rule I will talk about is double dribbling. In this case, you have a player that has picked up the ball and tries to dribble it again. The referee will call double dribble on that player. The second rule is called the walk. If you have picked up a dribble and take more than 3 steps, you will be called for a traveling violation. The third rule is called the carrying dribble, which when you have a player that puts his hand on top of the ball and tries to go with a move, you will be called for a carry. The second rule in basketball are fouls and penalties. In the National Basketball Association League, you are limited to 6 fouls. In college basketball, you are limited to 5. They have a thing in basketball called a technical foul. If you get called for a technical foul your first time, you will be given a warning. And the second time, you will get ejected from the game. The third rule that also deals with basketball is the 24-second clock. In the 24-second clock violation, you have to score the ball before the time expires, or the other team will have possession of the ball. It is many ways of being successful in basketball. One way is to practice. If you practice hard in basketball, you'll never fail. Another way is studying the rules of the game. Many times they give you out booklets that'll teach you the steps and to be able to play the game of basketball in the correct way. The conclusion that I want to end it with is many times people like to practice hard and study the rules of the game, and that should also help you to be successful in the basketball world. And that's all I want to talk about on the speech.